Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me. Girl, you ain't no stranger, girl. Girl, you ain't no stranger, stranger. Talk to me nice.
Talk to me nice.
Yay. Talk to me nice. Talk to me.
Girl, you ain't no stranger, girl. Girl, you ain't no stranger, girl.
Girl, you ain't no stranger, girl. Girl, you ain't no stranger. Got a package in the mail today, and I wasn't expecting the box to be this big. So let's check out what I got. There you go. Finally. Sheesh. Big red boot. Had to have it. Had to have it. I don't like this mark on the box that I see already. It's looking very... Yeah, let's just move on. Front of the box. It's nice. It's red. All around the box. Same thing. Red with these little white little ticks on it or whatever. Come on now. Nice. It's like wrapping paper for your gifts. We'll lay that there. You know, I just had to check it out for myself at first, but these are kind of cool. More than kind of cool. These are awesome. This part is kind of soft. It's a solid shoe, but it's not like... I don't know how to describe this. Like, it's soft, but... And then on the inside, it has like a waffle grid type of thing going on. The bottom, Mschf lines here. I don't know, I'm kind of excited just to have it. It's kind of hard to review it. I'm trying to really take it in, and I am taking it all in. What's this, my receipt? Yeah. Here's the other one. Okay. We got both red boots. They have like tissue paper on the inside. Let's try to take that out. Inside says size 12 US. looking at the inside and the way how that is shaped, I can kind of see why it would be a hard time to take these off. I wasn't going to try them on, but I got to try them on. Okay, we're going to try these boots on. I had to get into my fit that I felt like it would be right to try these on and take that out. Let's hope that these don't stick to my foot and I can't get them off. Let's hope that it's just a myth. I don't know. I can see it now. It's gonna be a struggle. Too late. All right. The front of the shoe, side of the shoe, back of the shoe. Ooh, ooh. No place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. I feel like a superhero with these boots on. I like them. I can dig it. They're really comfortable, surprising. So yeah, I'm a fan, happy I got them. What I also got today was Legend of Zelda, Tears of the Kingdom Nintendo Switch OLED. Just for memories, just for old time's sake, we're gonna do something real quick. See if I still got it. I love you, you are my girl. Through the night. You just want to tip no advice on the side of the road. What's the risk rolling dice if the thing's up? Yeah, we all gonna die. I was worried to be honest, but it's all going right. When I first laid eyes, I was also enticed.